How to use the replay mode in Fortnite Nintendo Switch. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation, I'll address your queries about using the replay mode in Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch. In order to determine if this is feasible, you can navigate to your career and locate the Replay tab. While replay functionality is present in the Fortnite on PC, it allows you to review recent matches, record clips, or simply rewatch gameplay for the analysis and enjoyment. However, on the Nintendo Switch, the replay option is not available. Likely due to the hardware limitations, unfortunately, Epic's game has not introduced replay mode for the Switch, making it exclusive to the PC. Therefore, if you wish to access replays, you'll need to play Fortnite on PC. This video aims to clarify that the replay mode is solely accessible on PC but not on Nintendo Switch. If this information has been helpful to you, please like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to notify yourself whenever we upload new contents. Thank you for watching, happy gaming, and see you in the next video.